Hi, my name is Kelly, and this is a patron tutorial to show you how to use the star ratings in your public library Koha system. Once we do a search within the public library Koha system, we will see when an item has been previously rated by other patrons in the community or users of the library. So you can see here in this view, this item has 5 stars by 2 people, and that will be an average. This one has 5 stars for 1 person. You also can rate items in your library catalog once you're logged in. So you would need to first log into your account. Let's search Louise Penny. And I can go ahead and click the book title that I'm looking to add a star rating to. And then I can just hover. If I want to give it 2 stars, I would hover at the 2 stars. Or if I want to give it up to 5 stars, I can go ahead and do that. You can see that your rating has been accepted and now will be seen by everybody if they go search this book, A Rule Against Murder, the sound recording. Now, a new feature that you can do is you can now rate things that are currently checked out to yourself. So I'm going to go to the top and just go to your account. And here you can see everything that I have checked out, and I now have the ability to mark that with a rating. So I'm right about to send it back to the library, and I can go ahead and say, yes, this was a 5-star book. It looks like I only do 5 stars, but I actually like a lot of these things. So you can see I can hover there, give it the 5-star. If I made a mistake, I can, of course, cancel that. But this is a new awesome feature that allows you to both rate things within your library catalog and also things that are checked out to you currently. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little bit more about your public library Koha system.